Hawaiian, the word for pineapple is hana kahiki.
Kain tayo. Pinong isa dyan. Hindi daw siya magsha-shopping. Guys, yung mga pinang-shopping namin, oh, hindi na kasya sa bagahe. Good luck sa amin bukas. Good morning, guys. Dito na naman kami sa sasakyan, no? Laging intro sa sasakyan. Kasi pagising, busy na mag-breakfast, mag-ready, and then kaya dito lagi yung intro sa sasakyan. And ito na naman ang aming driver. Siya na naman yung colorful and beautiful. And ito na naman yung outfit ko. Labas na naman ang kaluluwa. Kasi mainit, guys. Ang init dito. Kaya mga nakaganto kami, oh. Para presko ba. Punta tayo ngayon sa pineapple plantation. Mag-tour tayo doon. Nandito na tayo, guys, sa plantation. Pero sarado pa. Maya pa mag-open. And habang hinihintay, lakad-lakad tayo sa labas. Sinelas ko malamig. Sakay tayo dito, guys. Merong zipline doon, guys. Oh, nag-zipline sila.
My name is Tehani. I'll be your tour guide for today. For your safety, I just kindly ask that at this time that you please fasten your seatbelt. Exactly. No seatbelts. You make sure to stay seated though while but in Hawaii, we'll just mainly use the dry seats to make jewelry, like necklaces and bracelets. Now past the palm trees over to my right, you have all these spiky plants growing from the ground. These are pineapple plants. And in Hawaiian, the word for pineapple is hana kahiki. However, pineapples, they are actually not native to Hawaii. They were first brought here in the 1800s as a plantation crop from South America.
Speaking Hawaiian, not too hard. Do we have any guesses though as to what niu might mean? You can just shout them out.
Coconut?
Close. It does mean coconut, but coconut can be a seed, so we're all correct. But yes, it means coconut in Hawaiian, and all niu, all coconuts, they actually first start off green in their lifetime, so like this one here in the front. And even behind you, we have a tree full of them. After that green stage, they will slowly turn to this golden yellowish color. So if you look with those two trees in the back, they have some yellow coconuts hiding under their fronds. And after that yellow stage, they all turn brown like this. Now when it's brown, it is considered a seed. So right here in my hands, we have the second biggest seed in the world. So very easy to plant. All you have to get is some tropical weather, of course, and a brown coconut. Then you just pick a spot in your yard, take your coconut, and all you have to do is you set it, and then you forget it. Yeah, that's it. So a few months of doing nothing to this, and the plants will sprout out of the top of it. Just like this one that we have right here in the front. As you can see, you have this little plant starting to grow. Sorry, I got some water underneath it, just because we have the roots coming out. But honestly, we have not done anything to this. My coworker found this among the bushes the other day, so you don't have to water it or dig a hole to plant it for this tree to start growing. But now that the roots are starting to come out, we want to give it some water here and there, and then we just have to wait another 6 to 12 more years for some coconuts to grow.
Would you even be with me if it's so out of your way? Would you spend your time with me, building a life every day? I could be everything you wanted, I don't mind. No, is it worth it? I want you to tell me every time. The water's cold, I wish I known. This road isn't the easiest. I wanna know what you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we
tapos na kami mag-shopping ng... Ay, hindi pa pala. Oh my God. Ay, yung pasalubong tapos na. Nakapamili na kami ng mga pasalubong sa family, sa friends, mga chocolate, ganon. Ngayon naman, nagutom kami kaka-shopping. Mag-Jollibee naman tayo. Jollibee! Mga bata lang. Okay, pasok na tayo sa Jollibee, guys. Guys, kain tayo. Ayan. Oh, wala pa yung sa kanila. Kami palang meron. Hi, Day. Are you excited with your Jollibee?
Yes.
Hello, Madam. Irene. Ay, Irene tuloy. Army. Madam Army. Dilaw na dilaw siya. Flower na flower. Ayan. And, Madam Delia, you're so serious.
I'm hungry.
Tapos na kami kumain. Ayan, mga busog na yung aming mga tiyan. Ay, sabay tago nag-tiyan niya. Oh. Pati si Manang nag-ready na itago yung tiyan.
Tutok sa'yo
Ngayon, on the way naman tayo sa... Ano yun? Ang hirap guys kasi bigkas yung mga kalsada dito. So, doon kami papunta kasi punta raw kami sa Gucci, sa Louis Vuitton, sa mga mamahaling store. Magwi-window shopping lang kami. Hindi kami mamimili. Pero yung isa dyan, ayan. We'll see sino ang mapapa-shopping sa amin. Tingnan natin kung sino sa aming tatlo ang mapapabili ng Gucci or Louis Vuitton. Are you sure?
Sini.
Okay guys, let's go.
Ritz, please.
Oh, my favorite trees.
Oh, yeah.
Tiger. The heck? You have money?
Yeah, mag-iwan ka sa turn right.
Dito na tayo sa Gucci. Pero punta muna tayo sa Louis Vuitton. Kasi mayroong gustong mag-visit muna doon sa Louis Vuitton and then punta tayo sa Gucci. Ay, may Prada rin sila. Kaya pala nandito lahat ng mga mamahali na store guys kasi yung mga nakatira pala dito mga mayayaman, grabe ang gaganda ng mga bahay nila, laki tapos may golf course. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Prada doon, may Tiffany din. Pasok tayo dito guys sa Gucci. I like this bag. Hi guys, naalala nyo kanina, sabi nung isa dyan, hindi daw siya magsha-shopping. Diba sabi ko, tingnan natin kung sino ang magsha-shopping sa aming tatlo. Well, kaming lahat na pa-shopping. walang ano ba yun? Walang nakapagpigil. Lahat kami. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan oh, Manang, pakita mo sa'yo.
Wala na.
Nga, nagtago ka pa dyan. Huli ka. Yeah. Nag-shopping din siya. Ay, yung isa, sabi niya hindi siya magsha-shopping, nakadalawa siya. O, may Louis Vuitton pa siya. Bumili siya ng katulad ng aking bag. And then, bumili rin siya ng Gucci. Sabi nila, hindi raw sila bibili, hindi magsha-shopping. Pati ako pala, sabi ko, hindi ako bibili, magbibihib ako, pero napabili ako. Hindi kami nakapagpigil. Oh my God, itsura ko. Pasensya na kayo guys ha, haggard na ako. Grabe, init kasi. Yung itim na ng mukha ko, shiny. Pasensya na kayo. Yan, tapos na kami mag-shopping. And, check pala kami sa ABC. Mag-check kami kung makabili kami pasalubong uli. Ngayon na nakapamili na kami sa Walmart at saka sa Costco. Sa Costco kami namili ng mga chocolate kasi mas mura doon. Yung papasalubong naming chocolate. Tapos mga t-shirt, sombrero, ibang mga souvenirs doon sa Walmart naman. Ngayon, tingin tayo dito sa EBC. Tingin tayo dito ng baka makabili tayo ng pasalubong din. Ayan guys. Dito yung ABC store. Guys, yung mga pinang-shopping namin, oh, hindi na kasya sa bagahe. Good luck sa amin bukas.
Pinaghirapan to ni Armin. Naku, Diyos ko po.
Ayan, mga pinang-shopping namin, hindi na kasya. Wala pa yung mga bagahe namin dyan, ha. Good luck sa amin bukas. Oh,
Yeah, okay na.
Manang, good luck sa atin bukas kung kasya pa yung gamit natin dito sa sakyan.
Sabi nga nini, pagkakasyahin. Kahit sumampan na ako sa ano,
Manang, sa ibabaw ka na lang namin ilalagay bukas, ha.
sa baba na lang ako. Sa bebe.
Good luck sa amin bukas. Let's go back.